Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce our company's new product for you. MIC S-1 straight line have 50 watt to 200 watt for you to choose from, and we use the Mingwei driver, which has 6 years warranty. And we also use the Philips SMD 5050 or 3030 for you. And the light efficient can cover 170 lumen per watt or 140 lumen per watt. Moreover, our straight line also have the separator. We can say it is the right one, and it is used for the reducing the concentration and quick for the equalization. We also have the waterproof connector, and also our IP level is IP67. Okay, it is suitable for road, highway, and so on. And it have more type degree for you to choose from, such as type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5, and so on. Now, we are going to light up our straight line. Look at this light efficient. It can light a long distance, and the light efficient can attach the 170 lumen per watt. And we have a lot of type degree. So, if you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.